I will show you how to buy a remote miner. The remote miner is very simple. It directly connects to your wallet. You can choose a currency, USDC, Polygon, or USDT. You can change the amounts that you want to order. In this example, I will just show you, like here you see I don't have USDT, but I have USDCE and I have Polygon. I will purchase one. I select and it will pop up and give the calculation. This is how much $10 is worth currently in Polygon. So I will buy one miner and I can buy it, and this calls for MetaMask to sign the transaction. You see again the price over here and what you receive, and you can just confirm it, and this is how you buy a remote miner. It just takes a little bit of time until the blockchain transaction is confirmed. Now it is ready and you can see the Polygon was deducted, the payment is successful. Now, if we wait a moment and then go back to my dashboard, it should appear there. But first, let's check Polygon wallet. We see that here in the Polygon wallet, the transaction was made and successfully exchanged the Polygon for the remote miner. Now, if we check on the dashboard, here we can see, if we scroll down to where the other things are, that I just recently onboarded the remote miner just a few seconds ago. I can click on the remote miner and here I get its values. Of course, until now, it hasn't earned anything yet because it was just onboarded. I got one from the region of Brazil. This will fill up over time, give it a little bit time, like 48 hours until the onboarding process. Now, if I go back to dashboard, I have to scroll a little bit further because I purchased some plugs recently. Now I will go back into the history to a moment where I purchase remote miners. There you can see they already have these data curves to them, and I can see when they onboarded. Now, if I go to this, I can check here and see all the data transactions. It's basically like you see the sun going up and down. They will also yield energy and no energy in the night. And I can get the whole overview about its current earnings, its wattage, the peak, and where it's located, like this one in the US. This is how the remote miner works.